Hi, Dr. Cooper. This is Misty Garland here. I'm going to show you how I created a frequency chart and a histogram using Data Analysis Tool Pack in Excel. So the first thing I did was to download the worksheet that you gave us. Oopsie, sorry. To download the worksheet that you gave us. I went up here in the corner to sort it, and I wanted to sort by grade level. I wanted to look at and I was looking at 18, 19 because these kids on this spreadsheet were in 8th grade from 18 to 19. So I sorted my data. And then I got rid of some unneeded data. 18, 19. So I could get rid of M. And I just deleted those. And I wanted to be sure that A is what I wanted. And I went over here and got rid of these because I did not need those. And so then I have my raw data from 18 to 19. And I believe that some of these had multiple scores in them. So I went to, I wanted to highlight that column and go to data and sort to move the text out. I wanted to go to delimited, and I wanted the one separated by comma. And I wanted my output to just come here. And so then I can delete A because I just wanted to work with the single columns. I attempted to do the frequency by the frequency function, but it was giving me issues. So I ended up doing it by the count function like you were showing Tara on the video. And so first I wanted to get my bin set up. So I went to TEA as you suggested, and I found the readiness raw conversion table. And so you can see that my levels for 8th grade were 23 was the high level for did not meet, 32 was the high level for approaches, 37 and 44 for the other two levels. And so I set up my bin such as this, and because I couldn't get the frequency column to work, I had to sort these from in an ascending order, such as you talked to Tara, and then I'd use the count function as you can see here. And then I went to data and data analysis, and I made a histogram is what I wanted, and I selected my A column here for my input range. I selected the bins here for my bin range and checked new worksheet and chart. And the output that I got when I did this rawly for you would have been right here before my edits, right here. But I like to edit it and clean them up and make the bars touch. You make the bars touch by right-clicking and going to font, or format rather, and outlining them or closing the gap. That will make them touch. And then I wanted to outline them, make it a little bit bigger, and change my labels here. So my finished product looked like this, which seemed to be a little bit more user-friendly to the eye. So that is the way that I created my frequency chart and my histogram. I changed my levels to be such as this, like was on the chart from the start on the TEA site. So thank you. Have a good evening.